Hello. Today we are going to learn how to cook Sapu Mhecha. This dish is made by adding bone marrow to buffalo leaf tripe. This dish is a famous Newari dish which is made only by Newars. We can also buy this preparation. We can easily make it at home too. To make it we need buffalo bone marrow and leaf tripe. We can make a pocket-like hole in the tripe of the buffalo leaf. We put the bone marrow in the hole of the leaf tripe. Then we tie it with yarn. For this we have bought about 80 ready Sapu Mhecha. Wash it first. Boil it adding a little water. Turn once. It is cooked and taken out. Since it is on the same thread, separate it one by one. Now we can fry 4 or 5 pieces at once or as required. Make holes by a topping stick so the one that doesn't explode. We don't use much spice in it. We only use a little salt, chili and cumin. The flavor of the bone marrow itself makes it delicious. Visit a newer shop to test it or make it yourself.
당연히 뭐 진짜 인규주가 되기다 다구죠.